Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A23 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can block contacts in your phone Samsung Galaxy A23. What you have to do is just go to this call button here and go to these three vertical dots. Click on settings here and go to block numbers. Here you can add phone number to block. You can type here phone number. Here type phone number like this and click on add, and that number will be added, and you will no longer receive incoming call from this number. Okay, if you want to block contacts from your phone, click on contacts here and select contact. Select Balamurugan, Daniel, and click on done, and these two contacts will not able to contact me because they have been blocked. So in this way you can easily add any other number to block, or you can choose from your own contacts. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.